Hi all, this riff is from the song called Jaago from the movie Rock On 2. So we are playing this riff in that open position of A minor scale. So we have a 5th string root, that is now we are playing 5th string twice, open, then we have 3-0. So that's first 4 notes. Then we go 3rd string open, 2-0 on the 4th string, then back to 3 on the 5th string. So we do that 3 times. So we have 4th time, we just got to play the first 4 notes. Then we have a 2nd string 1st fret, we got a slight bend on the 2nd string 1st fret. Then we go pull off on the 4th string 3, 2, 0. Then we pluck 2 and then we go 6th string 3rd fret. So it's a little bit quicker. So that's 4th time.